The coast of Alabama and Gulf Shores has so many beach houses and so many condominiums. It's a growing area, and the businesses like my business needs to keep up with that growth. And with the growth comes a lot of laundry because we clean those vacation rentals every time a new guest leaves and goes in. That equates to thousands of cleans a year. And in order to keep the laundry organized, we have to have a facility that produces professional work, and that's why I've come to the laundry lounge. The equipment is new and it produces crisp, clean linens for us that we can bring back into our business and put back to the convent use. This is for me. I'm a professional company, and this is more of a professional, facility that I need.